Hello everybody, this is Michelle from the Houston Public Library. Welcome to Craft Time. Today we're making life flower bouquet. For this craft you would need orange paper, yellow paper, white paper, green paper, pipe cleaner, a pair of scissors, a pen or a Sharpie, and something round that you can draw your circle. So we're going to start with drawing our circles. I'm going to use the lid of the cup for the outer circle, the bigger one. So you're just going to trace the circle. And then for the yellow part, it's a little bit smaller, so we're going to use the bottom of the cup. Once you have that, cut them out along the lines that you have traced. I have already pre-cut these circles. So once you have that, we're going to fold the circle in half to about middle right here. And now open it up, grab your scissors, and cut right along the crease, like that. Do the same thing for the yellow one, and the same thing for the other two. Okay, so once you have them cut, we're gonna put a little bit of glue right here. So grab your glue stick, apply some glue, and we're gonna glue them together. That would give it a little bit of a 3D look, like that. Do the same thing for all of the other ones. So the next thing is grab your piece of green paper, fold them in half, and draw a leaf shape right on it, like this. I already pre-cut these, so we're going to use them. And then for the white paper, you're going to use it for the face. Once you have the shapes cut out, I'm going to draw the eyes. Alright. And then you're ready to assemble. So we're going to grab these circles and use something pointy to make a hole in the middle. Like this. Do that for all of them. Okay, and then grab your pipe cleaners. We're going to bend the tip a little bit and glue this to the back of your face. And then we're going to put it through the yellow one first. And then put it through the orange. There you go. And then we're going to do the other side. We're going to put it through the orange, and then the yellow, Fold it down a little bit and then glue the face on there. We're almost done. The very last thing is we're going to put the leaves on there. So we're gonna put glue on this side. And then glue the other side on. That's your life flower. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked this activity. We'll see you next time. Bye.